Today we're clearing something up. Because men and women don't think the same, and that's not shade, that's science. Not better, not worse. Just different wiring that evolved for different survival roles. And when things hit the fan, those differences matter. Quick disclaimer before somebody gets emotional in the comments. We're talking averages, not every single man or woman. Brains exist on spectrums. Culture, trauma, hormones, and experience shape behavior too. But biology does leave fingerprints and we're not ignoring them. On average, men's brains are wired for task-oriented focus. What science shows? Men have higher testosterone, which influences risk-taking and competitiveness. They have stronger spatial processing needed for navigation, mechanical systems, and trajectories. They have a tendency towards systemizing, such as breaking problems into parts. And they have narrower focus under stress, i.e. tunnel vision, and mission mode. This is why many men like strategy games, war history, tinkering, why they enjoy fixing systems and tools, and why they focus deeply on one problem at a time. From an evolutionary standpoint, this supports why they are partial to hunting, defending territory, tool making, and combat. Women. Baby, we are environment readers. What science shows? We have stronger connectivity between brain hemispheres. We have higher baseline emotional and social processing. We are better at multitasking and context awareness. And we have heightened threat detection through intuition and pattern recognition. This is why women often notice subtle changes in mood or environment, read people quickly, adapt plans on the fly, and think in networks instead of straight lines. Evolutionarily, this supports our adaptation to caregiving, group cohesion, early threat detection, and survival planning. Now, let's discuss how men think on a daily basis. Men often ask, "What's the problem? Let's fix it." Women ask, "What's happening around us? Who's involved? What's the safest move?" Men tend to prioritize efficiency, zero in on goals, and stay emotionally steady under pressure. Women tend to track multiple variables, anticipate consequences, and adjust behavior based on social cues. Neither is better. They're complementary. When danger hits, both brains shine, just differently. The strengths of men in crisis include quick decisive action, willingness to confront threats, mechanical problem solving, and physical defense and structure building. Their weaknesses include tunnel vision, overconfidence, risk-taking that can backfire, and ignoring emotional or social warning signs. The strengths of women in crisis include situational awareness, reading intent and deception, protecting vulnerable group members, and resource management and adaptation. Our weaknesses include emotional overload under extreme stress, hesitation when others are involved, self-sacrificing too much, and social conditioning to defer leadership. Historically, groups survived best when both mindsets were present. Men often handled defense, tools, and direct threats. Women often handled planning, resource distribution, and early warning systems. When one side dominates, survival drops. Too much aggression, people get killed unnecessarily. Too much caution, opportunities disappear. Balance is survival. As a woman, your mind is not soft. It is strategic, just in a different way. Bottom line, your strengths are pattern recognition, reading danger before it explodes, knowing when to move, hide, negotiate, or disappear. In survival, your awareness saves lives before fists ever fly. Here's the secret sauce. Ladies, you all should train. Learn new skills, read books about being assertive, war, psychology, and strategy, play strategy games such as chess, learn self-defense, and how to shoot a gun. Survival belongs to the adaptable, not the strongest. So cis, men and women don't think the same, and thank God for that. Different strengths, different weaknesses, same goal. In a crisis, the winner isn't who's louder or tougher. It's who sees the whole picture and knows when to act. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment a brain emoji if this made you think differently about survival. Remember, understanding your mind is a survival skill. And as always, stay sharp, stay aware, and stay alive. Love you, sis.